2,000 pesos for Boracay Airport transfers to and from hotel. Mahal yan. Kung family kayo na pupunta ng Boracay this summer, watch nyo to kasi share ko kung paano kami nakatipid at buti na lang hindi kami nagpabudol sa hotel transfers. We only spent 1,496 pesos per head. Round trip na yan, meaning pagdating ng Boracay, susunduin from airport, then punta ng hotel, tapos pag pauwi ka na, susunduin sa hotel, papuntang airport. We booked this on Klook, andun na lahat ng info na dapat mong alamin, very convenient, value for money, and hassle-free ang private airport transfer nila. By the way, kids 0 to 5 are free. Huwag nyo kalimutan gamitin Klook discount code ko, main Klook of course, para mas bumaba pa yung price na yan. Pinili namin to kasi may luggage kaming dala at mga bata. Saka gusto namin yung isahang bayad na lang kasi dire-diretso na. Pwede naman talagang mag-DIY at mag-trike tapos boat, pero nga marami kaming dala. Binook namin siya from Klook, ito mismo yung pipiliin mo, private transfer from MPH to Boracay by My Boracay Guide. So upon arrival, proceed to booth 16 to find My Boracay Guide na may Klook signage, then just present your Klook voucher. Nakakatuwa nga kasi nakapaskil na yung mga pangalan namin. Tapos may mag-a-assist pa talaga ng mga gamit mo. Yun palang sulit na yung bayad. So from airport, you'll ride the van going to Jetty Port, then ride the boat for 15 to 20 minutes going to the island. Sila na rin nagbubuhat ng gamit. So from there, naghihintay na rin yung van namin going to our hotel in Boracay. The van is spacious, air-conditioned, and mababait at masikaso talaga yung drivers. So tara na, mag-Boracay na tayo this summer.